What's up YouTube, Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now, I apologize right away, today's video is going to be a little bit later upload. You see, what happened was, today's video was going to be all about the alignment I got at J.W.P. Automotive, and I was going to go for a test drive, let you guys know how it went and everything, how the car was feeling. Well, all the GoPro footage from that day got deleted. So here we go, the day of the upload, I'm filming this video. It's going to be a little quick one, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to go out, hit some twisty roads, and I'm going to tell you about basically my experience at J.W.P. Automotive, how my four-wheel alignment went, and how the car's handling. Spoiler alert, today is September 21st, and as some of you guys know, Dyno Day was September 20th. So right now, the car is tuned, and it survived the dyno. How much power did it make? Well, I'm going to make you guys wait till next Tuesday to figure that one out, but yeah, let's get this drive going. Probably film half of this video with this view, and then the other half of the video I'll point the camera forward. I'll probably switch the camera forward once I get into the nicer roads. It's probably a good thing that I'm refilming this video anyway, because the first time around when I filmed the video, it was pretty dark out and the GoPros didn't look so good when it's nighttime, so the quality of today's video should be a little bit better, so hopefully that makes up for the late upload. Now, I'm not even going to fuck with the camera this time. I'm just going to let it roll and do all the cutting and editing during post-processing. I think what might have happened is I have voice control turned on my camera, and I don't know if maybe it like heard me say a keyword, like if it starts and stops the camera if I say cheese or something like that. I say cheese a lot, so that could have happened. I don't know. Something, you hear other people complain about losing footage on GoPro cameras, and I've never really been a GoPro kind of guy. I'm kind of a Sony fanboy, so it pissed me off a little bit when I lost that video. But here we are again, refilming, one take. Hopefully this all goes smoothly. After we did our traction bar install, me and my roommate Jonathan went for a little test drive, and I noticed right away the added stability and just like the chassis rigidity of the front end of the vehicle. There was a lot less wandering all around the road, and I think that was mainly due to just flex in the lower control arms. So as you guys probably know, those traction bars, they really do a good job tying the front end of the vehicle to the lower control arms. And my lower control arm compliance bushings were a little bit loose, so tightening those up and installing those traction bars certainly made a pretty big difference. And then moving on to a couple days after that, I got my four-way alignment at J.W.P. or four-wheel alignment at J.W.P. Automotive, and my oh my, that was an awesome experience. I'll put a couple clips of what it looks like inside that shop right here. They got some amazing cars inside that shop. A couple like super rare old school Honda NSXs. They got a Honda NSX Type R in there. They've got an NSX that comes with it's a yellow NSX that comes factory with a Comptech supercharger. I never knew that existed. They had one of those there. One of my favorite drift platforms, they had an SC300 there with a nice 2J. Man, they had a lot of cool cars there. So it was kind of an honor to pull my Civic up there and have them work on the car, which is cool. And the whole time I was there, they worked with me to get my alignment dialed in exactly to spec. Really what I was looking for was perfect symmetry on both sides of the car with the toe angle and the caster angle, or sorry, the camber angle. And then what I I feel a lot more stable out here. You'll be able to see it a little bit more when we get into the back roads up ahead. But so far, I am amazed with basically the results of the alignment at J.W.P. So definitely recommend their shop, definitely recommend their services, and they're not paying me to say that. Although they did give me a sticker, so. And this is actually the first time I've actually been able to kind of stretch the car's legs after the dyno as well. Because of course, the day I went, it was downpouring, so I couldn't really go anywhere without spinning. Man, it is such a nice day outside. The first time I went to film this video, it was, like I said, it was dark, it was in the afternoon, and it was super humid. My intake air temperatures were high, it was super muggy and wet outside, so it's probably a good thing I'm refilming this video. I'm starting to gain a lot more confidence driving this car. The more and more I beat on it. I kind of have trust issues with this thing, so the more I beat on it and the car survives, I'm slowly building more trust with the car, so that's nice. Go ahead and flip this camera around so you guys get some POV action. All right, so I've got 8% left. I'm gonna do as much fun driving as I can before the battery dies. Please enjoy. I'll let them go ahead. And we're moving. Oh, that's wild. Holy crap. And we'll do a launch for the boys. Footage, but yeah, we got some nice fun driving at the end of the video there, so hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I sure did. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the outro. So once again, thank you for tuning into Crafting Cars. If you enjoyed today's upload, don't be afraid to hit that like button, leave a comment down below. We love talking to you guys. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, now would be a really good time to subscribe. We got a lot of exciting videos coming out, and man, it's really nice to get the Civic back out on the road again, and it's feeling great. Yeah, really nice. The car's finally running and running strong, so very hyped about that. Yeah, I guess make sure you're not missing out on Gideon's uploads every Friday, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.